You never see how Patty make it. Alright, so we are showing how it make from scratch. It's at the New York style still. Similar recipe and thing. But this shop here in a New York. Wanna run it for over 40 years. So watch it and see what I go on. So you don't know, so them have the beef and you know a secret recipe. So you see me? And you have veg. And you have some chicken patty set speed. Yeah man, everything from scratch. You don't know that of the soft cocoa bread. Soft cocoa bread, you understand? Real Jamaican style, but this is just in a New York still. After the meatloaf, veg patty same way, Irish mash. Yeah man, so everything Jamaican. We feel like you want a real chill out spot, real Jamaican way.